Alright, you can see where I have some pretty dirty clay pots. I'm gonna try to use a little bit of baking soda with water, kind of make like a little paste, and then I'll scrub it with a little sponge type of device, agitate it a little bit, hose it off, and then we'll see how that works. All right, let's take the hose to it a little bit. Try to add a little bit of water in here to kind of make it a paste. Oh. Stir that up. Looks a little bit too nasty down here. It kind of sits in a collection dish at the bottom. It sits in water sometimes. Scrubbed a little bit of it. We'll go ahead and rinse that off. Work on another side. Get this wet and cleaned up as well. All right, here's another pot. It's a little nasty, and this has my Zion daisies. Love these things, very pretty. Let's get this one cleaned up. All right, got this one just about scrubbed up real nice. And we'll go ahead and hose him off. Cool. And we'll let these dry and see how it turns out. Put these back where they belong, and I'll let them dry out, and we'll check back tomorrow. And here we are the next day, and they look a little bit better. Not 100%, but this container's a little bit old, but otherwise they do look a little bit cleaner than before. I think the baking soda was a pretty good idea. Pretty quick, cheap, and pretty satisfied. So that's how you clean terracotta plants with some baking soda.